Bulldozers are big, powerful wrecking machines. Bulldozer. Excavator. Want to dig in the dirt? Check out the long arm or boom on this excavator. The bucket on the end of it can dig a big hole in the ground or move large objects. Hop in and dig, dig, dig. Excavator. Rock truck. The rock truck does heavy-duty work. It carries big loads of rocks and dirt. It's built tough with a rugged design and 6 powerful wheels that can drive over the roughest roads on the planet. Rock truck. Scraper. The scraper looks like a big insect, but no creepy crawly can scrape the ground away like this machine can, making a path for new roads. The streets you drive on today were probably made with a hard-working scraper. Scraper. Grater. After the scraper scrapes the ground away, you need a grater to finish the job. Look at those wheels and that long metal blade. They smooth the path for roads or create flat areas where tall buildings can be built. Grater. Wheel loader. If you need to move a pile of dirt, gravel, sand, or snow, bring in a wheel loader. Those lift arms move the bucket up and down so it can scoop up the piles and load them into trucks. Wheel loader. Dump truck. Big loads of dirt and gravel can be loaded into a dump truck. When workers are ready to unload, then up, up, up goes the truck's open box. Everything slides down and dumps right onto the ground. Dump truck. Water truck. Construction sites are dusty places. A water truck carries a big metal tank that's filled with water. Hoses spray water onto the dirt and no more dust. Water trucks can also carry water to help rescuers put out fires. Water truck. Soil compactor. Those big bumpy wheels on the soil compactor have an important job. They press down hard on the dirt and compact it, making a firm, stable base so whatever is built on it doesn't sink or fall over.